Hello there, and today I have a couple of movies that I'd just like to attempt to review. And I must point out there's dogs keep barking out here, which are very annoying, so I do apologise if they start barking during this video in advance. They're very, very annoying. It's seriously annoying living here, I can tell you, with all the dogs barking. There's an abundance of them. Anyway, the first film I'd like to talk about today is this one, which is called Mother's Day, and it stars Jennifer Aniston, Jason Sudeikis, Kate Hudson, and Julia Roberts. And it's basically about three generations that all come together in the week leading up to Mother's Day. And the film, it's kind of hard to describe the exact plot because it's just like a series of scenes of the different characters like chatting and stuff. But there's some really good scenes in the movie. Now I've got a bloody plane going across. There's some really good scenes in this movie, and overall it's a very enjoyable movie indeed, I would say. My favourite scene, I think, was where there's a scene where Jennifer Aniston tries to get a candy bar out of a chocolate bar machine type of thing, and the chocolate bar gets stuck and it doesn't fall out, so she has to try to reach up inside the machine with her arm through the slot at the bottom of the machine, and she gets a bracelet caught on like one of the metal things where the candy bars come out. She gets it stuck on there. That was a really funny scene in the film, and the performances are all top notch. And this was director Gary Marshall's last movie. He died not long after making this, unfortunately, and he was a really good director. He also directed Valentine's Day and New Year's Eve, I believe, and quite a few other films. Pretty Woman, of course, he directed that as well. And he was just a really good director. It's a shame that he's passed away. And the transfer on this film is absolutely astounding. It's really good quality. I watched this on the big screen with my projector in my cinema room, and it just looked amazing. It was shot digitally, I believe. I looked it up on the Internet Movie Database, and it says it was shot digitally in 2K resolution, so it wasn't shot in 4K, according to them anyway. But it still looked amazing in this 1080p transfer, and the colors are like really bright all the way through the film. It's a really bright, colorful film. Lots of well photographed scenes, with flowers and nice houses and all that sort of stuff. Really nice scenery, and it's just a very enjoyable film, I thought. And I'll just show you the back. There's not really many special features on here. It's just a gag reel and some deleted scenes, I think. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So there's no audio commentary on this one, because Gary Marshall usually does some audio commentaries on some of his films. Like, I think he did one on Pretty Woman. I'm not sure if he did Valentine's Day, I can't remember. But the only thing I didn't like in this film was Julia Roberts is wearing this wig, as you can see there in the picture, and it doesn't really suit her. She looks much better with her long wavy hair. I don't know why they decided to dress her in that wig, to be honest, but anyway, they decided to do it regardless anyway, for whatever reasons. I'm not sure what the reasons were, but anyway, that's Valentine's Day, and you can pick this film up quite cheap. At least I'd managed to get it quite cheap. So if you want to get a hold of this, you could grab yourself a bargain at the price it's going for currently, and it's well worth getting a hold of. Now the next one I've got here, I forgot to point out that was a Region B Blu-ray, and it's Region B locked, I mean. Locked, Region B locked, not blocked. The next one I've got here is a film called The Replacements, which was made in 2000, and it was directed by Howard Dutch. I think he possibly, I might be getting mixed up, but didn't he direct Pretty in Pink? I might be getting mixed up. Not sure about that. But I don't know, there was an insect on us there next to us. I think it's a bit of fluff or something flying about. Anyway, this film's about American football, and it stars Keanu Reeves, Gene Hackman, and Brooke Langton. And it's basically about there's this players' strike, and these other players are brought in to replace them. And they're all a bunch of like misfits, shall we say? And they like have like fights often on the pitch and stuff. They're always getting into scrapes and trouble and what have you. And this is a really good film. It's very enjoyable. And the performances by Keanu Reeves, Brooke Langton, and Gene Hackman are all great performances. Gene Hackman's always good to watch, and so is Keanu Reeves. But they do a particular good job in this film. Very good job. And the transfer on this film, actually, I was a bit disappointed with it, because I read the review on Blu-ray.com, and they were saying the transfer was great. But I found the picture wasn't exactly that detailed, to be honest. They said it was very detailed, but I didn't find it it was detailed enough. So I mean, it still looks pretty good, but when you watch it on the big screen, it kind of looked a bit like you were watching a DVD in a way. It's probably a bit better than most DVDs, but it kind of had that DVD look about it. So I was a little bit disappointed with the transfer. The colours are really good. There's a lot of red in the film, and I must point out there's some romance in this film between Brooke Langton and Keanu Reeves. She's done quite a few films, but you don't really hear much about her. I think this is her most famous role, I think. She's done a lot of like TV shows as well. She's appeared in a lot of TV series and what have you. But this film, I highly recommend this film if you like good comedy films. There's a lot of really funny scenes in this. Really, really funny. And there's some special features as well. I'll just show you the back. I think there's an audio commentary there with the director. Let's check. Yep, audio commentary with the director Howard Dutch, and a few deleted scenes and some featurettes and what have you. So there's a few extras on there. And this is a region A disc, but I think it's multi-region, region free. So it'll play on your UK machines over here if you import it from America on Amazon or wherever. It'll play fine, so no need to worry about that. You don't need a multi-region player for this disc, because I think it's pretty much the same for all Warner Brothers discs, just about. I don't know whether it's all of them, but most of them play on region B machines. They don't need a multi-region player if you import them from America. But anyway, I'd just like to thank you for watching this video. That's me reviews over with. I know I'm not the best, whoops. I know I'm not the best at reviewing films, but I try my best. So I'd just like to thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I shall catch you on the next one. So bye for now. See you later.